You're probably doing this thing where every time a video doesn't work, you just switch. New idea, new topic, new direction. And it feels like progress, right? Like you're trying things, experimenting, but honestly, that's probably the exact reason that you're not growing. And I know that sounds a bit harsh, but if you stay with me for a second, this is where things start to click for your channel. This is the bit that most people miss. If your last 10 videos all feel different, that's not creativity, that's just confusion. And confusion does not grow a YouTube channel. So you post a video and it flops, and your brain goes, all right, that didn't work, scrap it, let's try again. And then you try something else, and then that doesn't work either. So you pivot again and again, and now you've got like 20, 30, maybe 50 videos on your channel, and none of them are even related to each other. And this is where it gets painful because it feels like you've been working, but nothing's actually stacking up. So you're just resetting over and over again. So instead of asking, what should I make next? You need to start asking, what should I make better next? It sounds small, but it really isn't. That shift alone will change everything about your channel. If you only take one thing from this video, take this. You don't need a new idea. You need a better version of a working one. So let's say you post a video and it does slightly better than the rest. Not insanely, not viral, but something. You know, you get more clicks, better watch time. It's not luck, it's a signal from the algorithm, and most people will just ignore it. This is where most people will mess up, you see. They'll go, well, that one worked. Anyway, let's go on to the next idea. And this is not what you should be doing. You need to double down. You need to get that video and you need to double down. You need to stay in that lane. You make another video, similar topic, similar angle, just better. Make it tighter, cleaner, more direct. Not a copy per se, but a refinement of the concept in the niche. Let's say, for example, you made a how to grow on YouTube in 2026 video and it does well. Most people jump to something random next, but what you should do is stay close to the idea. Do something like why small creators aren't growing, or the biggest mistake killing your channel, or what I do differently starting today. Same world, same microcosm, just a different angle on the same concept. So you have to notice what's going on here, because you're not guessing anymore. You're building on something that already showed signs of life. That's a completely different game. You're not throwing mud at the wall anymore. You're actually getting something that sticks and trying it again, which is what you need to do. Let me say this as clearly as you can possibly hear it. This is important. Your hooks probably aren't bad. They're just unrefined. Instead of writing a brand new hook every time, take the one that worked a bit and just tighten it up. Shorter, sharper, less waffle, more direct tension. Introduce the video, but give them something to keep watching for. Just, tease them a bit. The old version could be, so in today's video, I want to talk about, just cut it. New version, you're not growing because you keep doing this one thing wrong. There you go, straight in. And it really, really will get people watching longer. This is the important part. You don't get better at hooks by guessing. You get better at rewriting and rewriting and rewriting them over and over until you find ones that work, and then you iterate again and you keep on compounding these improvements. At the start, it will feel like nothing's changing, but the improvements are there. They're small, but they do stack. Your intros will get tighter, your pacing will improve, you'll cut more fluff out, and suddenly your videos will feel better. Not because you got lucky, but because you stopped restarting over and over again from scratch with different concepts. When your content is consistent and connected, YouTube will understand it faster and it knows who to show your videos to, so it pushes them more confidently. But if you keep switching around all the time, YouTube's got no clue and everything will slow down because it will keep on constantly trying your videos that you did before with a new audience, but the videos are different now, so the new audience doesn't like them, so you just keep resetting. Do you see what's happening here? You need to have consistent videos, consistent topic, consistent niche, and YouTube will give it to a consistent audience and it will work. That's what happens. This is why things feel random for you right now. It's not random, it's just because you're being inconsistent. Iteration can feel repetitive and a little bit boring. Like, didn't I already make this video? And yeah, maybe you did make something similar, but that's kind of the point, because you're not trying to chase new things over and over. You're building a specific brand of YouTube content in a specific niche. And of course, the concepts will overlap. But if you look at any successful channel, a lot of their videos will just overlap with previous videos. Literally any channel I can think of off the top of my head right now that's doing really well in this niche, for example, like Dave Jatelma, Geltimer, is his name Dave Geltimer, or Dan the Creator. Some of the ones that I look at for some potential inspiration. A lot of their videos overlap, very similar. Sometimes they do the same video again, but just update it for a new year. It's about building, iterating, and getting people to come back for the same content. That's what you're doing here on YouTube. So don't overthink it. Go to your last 10 videos, pick the top 2 that did the best, and then make 3, 4, 5 more videos in that same lane. That's all you need to do. Look, I know this is where most people will start to overthink, they'll start to complicate, but you don't need a full strategy. You just need to stop switching your content so aggressively. So, what do you do next? If you do this, by 2, 3, 4, 5 videos, you'll start to notice something. People will click where they drop off, what holds attention, and now you can start iterating. You're learning what works, and then you can start to improve, which is really all YouTube is. Just find something that works and keep producing it and keep improving it, and that's all you need to do. So this is where growth actually starts. Not when you post more, but when you actually improve faster. If your channel feels stuck right now, it's probably not because you're bad at this. It's probably because you haven't stayed in one place long enough to get good at it. And I get it. It's tempting to switch, to try something new. But the real growth comes from sticking with something just long enough to improve it. Because in 2026, the creators who win aren't the ones with the best ideas. They're the ones who iterate the fastest. If you want to see how I structure my videos so each one performs better than the last, watch this next one, because once something starts working, that's where things start to get really interesting on YouTube. Thanks for watching.